doing a lot of bad things. So there is no discipline with them. Sa una, when they're being led by Moses, ang ilang food, they are on a diet. God gives them their diet. In the time of the silent years, this is the time where the Israelites have become disobedient when it comes to war. So, it's not stated here in the Bible, but if you're going to think and let your mind work, it's possible that these people are not already concerned about what they are eating. So that most of the people in the New Testament become sick. Wala na kung ilang mga diet sa una. Maybe they have tried eating pork. Anak na, no discipline. Okay? The same with our time today. No? Ito ganina, ang atong lifespan, what happens? Sa una, people would live up to 100. Now, si Miss Toriel, 93. No? 96 or 93. The director of their school in Laguna. And she told us that her problem is she cannot walk because of the pain in the knees. But her high blood pressure, her sugar is still normal. No? It's because of the lifestyle. In the New Testament, you see, my father is walking there every night so that he would have a healthy body or the high blood pressure would slow down. Remember how the Israelites had walked in the wilderness. Huh? So in the later part, siguro, they became lazy. No? Even their diet. So now, we are more lazier. Isa ako, sometimes save more, so near. In Laguna before, in order to get water, we have to walk. No? Up and down. Sometimes slippery. But you cannot see people in Laguna that are sickly. Usually, ang mga people in Laguna would be sent to the hospital because of axe, anak air, chinso, anak hamad. But I never thought of the people, I never think of the people in Laguna who was brought into the hospital because of high blood. No. I remember my ninong was brought to the hospital because of the horse, hit by the horse. Death was being hit by a shot put, blood and go to the hospital. But in our times now, we are so fond of what we call instant, meaning quick. If you want pansit, fast, 3 minutes, noodles, no? But 3 minutes, fast. Before mag-make of pansit, mag-anak pa ng sibol. Now fast. Before salt and other mga onions, now quick magic. Sarap. Then what happens? It shortens our life. Okay? Because of that lifestyle change, we easily get sick. One of the mga doctors, when I go to the doctor told me, you need a lifestyle change. You don't need medicine. No? So, meaning, when we say lifestyle, or what you are doing with your life, meaning you have to change even your sleeping habit. No? Food that we eat. You have to, even the medicines that you take. So, the scholar says here that the Israelites was in the land of Palestine after the Babylonian captivity, and they became under the power of the great world, and that is the country of Persia. Okay? So, to continue. So, this country has strong practices. And in Persia has strong practices. No, kita mo sa TV, ang mga Persian people who are in the army, they feast when they eat. Ang isa ka king, isa ka paa. The pork. They are barbaric. In the times of the Israelites,